the problem. Let's see what happens when we introduce a failure by shutting down the MPLS lock on vEdge-y, as illustrated in figure. vEdge-y no longer advertises the OMP route 10.1.1024 via T11 because the MPLS interface is down. Subsequently, the vSmart controller has only one route to 10.1.1024 via vEdge-y. However, the OMP best path algorithm still chooses this route as best, because it has a lower origin metric 50 than the ones via vEdge to 90. In the end, vEdge-3 receives only the OMP route to 10.1.1024 via T12, the biz internet T-lock of vEdge-y. However, vEdge-3 does not have an overlay tunnel to any remote biz internet T-lock. Therefore, the route 10.1.1024 via the biz internet T-lock of vEdge-y is marked as invalid and unresolved. Although vEdge-3 has an overlay tunnel to vEdge-2 and BFD session in upstate, it doesn't know that subnet 10.1.1024 could be reached via vEdge-2. If we ping 10.1.1.1, we will see that vEdge-3 has completely lost connectivity to the data center's network. The solution. One of the most effective solutions to this problem is to tell the vSmart controller to advertise also the first set of non-best routes. In our example, these would be the routes via vEdge-2. Configuring the feature is as simple as applying one configuration line OMP Send-Backup-Paths on the vSmart controller. As shown in the output below, on configure the Send-Backup-Paths option, we can see that the controller is now advertising the routes via vEdge-2 alongside the best routes via vEdge-y. Now if we check the OMP routing table on vEdge-3, we will see that it has a valid route to 10.1.1024 through the MPLS lock of vEdge-2. Now there is IP reachability between the remote site and the data center, and the ultimate test is to check the actual data path using a tracer route from vEdge-3 to the data center network. You can that the traffic entering the DC via vEdge-2. Summary: vSmart only advertises the best routes to a destination according to the OMP best path algorithm. The default behavior of vSmart hides reachability information from remote peers, similarly to a BGP route reflector, in scenarios where there isn't full IP reachability between T-locks, and there are remote sites with limited overlay. This might create black holes in failure scenarios. The OMP Send-Backup-Paths option tells the vSmart controller to advertise the first set of non-best routes alongside the best ones. Notice that the overall number of advertised routes is subject to the OMP Send-Path limit parameter.